4-in-1 multiport charger for more devices. The Ugreen Nexode USB-C charger has 3 USB-C ports and a USB-A port supplying up to 100W of power. Charge a phone, tablet, laptop, and more at the same time. Charge 3x faster. Charge your iPhone 13 to 60% in 30 minutes or fully charge your MacBook Pro 16 2021 in 1.5 hours. With the latest GaN chipset, it's 3x faster than your original iPhone charger. Travel-friendly compact design. Nexode's GaN chip and foldable plug allow this 100W USB-C wall charger to fit in your palm without sacrificing quality or power. Protect devices from heat damage. The Ugreen Power-X system will never damage your devices. It can intelligently adjust the power output to protect your product's battery. The over-temperature protection system takes 5 temperature readings every second for extra security. Wide compatibility. The Ugreen Nexode 100W GaN charger provides fast charging to virtually all USB-A and USB-C phones, tablets, laptops, and more, including the MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and 15-inch, 13-inch Dell XPS. Top reviews from the United States. Works well with Steam Deck and ONXPlayer. I just received this 100W charger along with the 65W charger and I am pretty impressed with this 100W charger. It can charge 4 devices while continuously being used. I had my Steam Deck plugged in while playing a game, USB-C 1, my phone playing one of my mobile games, USB-C 2, my Switch playing AC 3, USB-C 3, and my Vita resting, USB. My phone was able to fast charge and continue charging, but the Steam Deck and the Switch were charging but not losing battery while it was playing a game, however it was not increasing the percentage of the battery charge either. With the ONXPlayer I was only able to have 3 devices plugged in before it wouldn't charge while in use. I have the ONXPlayer, USB-C 1, my Switch, USB-C 3, and my Vita, USB. When I tried plugging the Switch in USB-C 2, the ONXPlayer was not able to continuously charge while in use.